Okay, George, we're just going to show you how I've set up communications. That is, they want to be able to share announcements and things like that. So I'll show you this before I show the client, and wait for your confirmation that everything I'm proposing is a doable proposal. So you'd click here, you see you're logged in. That gives you access to your groups, because you wouldn't want to share an announcement with anything other than, a specific group. At least I would imagine. So the first thing you need to do is pick which group you want to share this announcement with. That'll show you what's already in the system, and those in particular have been shared by yourself. I'll also make it so you click on this and you could see who else put files up there. And in this case, I want to make a new announcement. So I'll click on that. I'll have to put a title in for the announcement. And then I could either choose create the announcement, and it would be go on to the next step where I add text to it. Or in this case, I want to add a PDF file. So I want to maintain all files by order. In other words, every time we load up something, I want to rename based on what it is and who put it there and the date. So that's why they'd have to identify the file type, and then they can create the announcement, and then it shows. But I just realized something. I didn't have any place for them to fill in the text related to the announcement. Oh, so this is hard. Okay, I got to go back. But notice that this is now the new announcement right here, and it's outlined in the magenta because it's new. Okay. One thing I did have a question. I was wondering if I could do. Oh, right here. You see how I'm outlining this in blue? I'm trying to use blue as the, action color. In other words, okay, you picked a committee, you shared by yourself, but, to take the next step, you're going to have to click on the blue. Is kind of, it's not always the case. For example, I'm using blue here and here, but the action that needs to be taken is in blue here, and then the action needed to be taken, adding a title, is here. I guess also I'll put whatever the announcement is right there. And then you create the announcement, or this maybe needs to be gray blue. In other words, sometimes you're going to add a link and sometimes you're not. This time you are. And so I guess these should all be blues until I choose one, blue outlines until I get one, and then I can confirm the name. And you see how other things change when they're no longer the element that you've needed to respond to. They go to gray, and only the element that you need to respond to get the next thing done, which, the instructions are right here, is in blue. This is proving to be redundant. This gray concept was notes for you, but I've decided to put the breadcrumbs here as well, so I don't know if this gray part's necessary other than telling me what screen number I'm on. So I might drop all that. Okay. Well, there you go. So that's what I'm envisioning. Let me know, am I on track, realistically on track? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.